Hi guys, today we will cook yellow dal, yellow and orange dal that we already have at our homes, and that can be easily available and that is liked by almost all the family members. So for this is so simple and this is more of a child's play. It is as simple as ABC. So for this you have to take yellow and orange dal into the pan and and take the water 1 inches higher than the level of the dal and add a pinch of or the amount you want to take, half a teaspoon or 1/4 of the teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt into it, and then bring it to boil. Let it bring it boil let it boil for 15 minutes in the open pan if you are preparing it in the open pan, and simmer the gas, and then again cook for 15 more minutes and your dal is ready. And this is so nutritious, and it is also nutritious for the babies who are under 1 year and who are 6 months or above. And this can be eaten when a person falls ill, and this can be eaten as well by the other family members because of its nutritional qualities. So this dal, when it is cooked, I will show you. This is so simple. With the lid on the pan, it can be cooked in no time, and for about half an hour it will take in the open pan to cook, and it is cooked. And then you can apply your tadka on the dal and your dal is ready. See guys, after cooking for half an hour in the open pan, taken lid on the top, this is cooked. This is properly cooked. So now let's prepare its tadka in a very simple way. So for this I have added 1 tablespoon of desi ghee, to which I have added coriander leaves, along with that 1 chili and 1 certain amount of or a pinch of dekhi mirch or Kashmiri red chili. So this is its tadka in a very simple way. So let's prepare it. On the gas, I have it already on. All the dals taste good when it is fried in desi ghee. So this is also I have fried in desi ghee. Now it is at this stage add certain amount of dal into it. So this is a tadka, basically in a simplest way. We have simplified it. So this is a dal in a very simple way. You can relish it with chapatis or any type of naan. Thank you. Like and subscribe. So guys, serve it with chapatis and coriander and mint chutney. This is so delicious. Like and subscribe.